Hello YouTube, today I'm continue to working detailing my CLS55, and the topic of this day of today is, you see this shiny oily leather. So this is not supposed to be like that. Originally it's supposed to be like that, and even right here on the door panel it's supposed to be not even like that. I can show you how it's supposed to be right here. So you see, this is the glove box, and this is the leather behind that glove box, and this is the leather we have. So this is kind of oily. So my plan today is continue use this Sonex, which I was using for the Alcantara, and also I was using here on this portion from here to here, because this portion was shiny like this, but I didn't have a time in that time, and today I will working on this edge, and we'll see if we'll get any good result, and if we will, so I'll probably will do all the door maps, and also some maps here, or we'll find the shiny spots and do the work on it. So, and we'll let it sit for a minute to do the chemical reactions, and we'll see what result we'll get. Okay, it passed about 1 minute. I let it dry and wipe it with a microfiber towel, and we'll see what we get. Yeah, this is the, I would say, the much better. You see, there is no any oily stuff. Yeah, that works. That's cool. Okay, I'll probably continue to do it on this door panel, and we'll see the result. Okay, we'll continue to work on this door handle, but I already did that before, but I'll do another try, and we'll see, maybe it will becomes to even a little bit better. So, but be very gentle. This is not the softest one, but for this type of leather, I think it should be not harmful. I'm kind of brushing like this way. I also want to do experiment, make the half of the panel up to this line, this, and we'll see the difference, or maybe right here, like left side and right side. I'll do the experiment. Okay, here is the result. Yeah, see, there is not dried still, but it looks really nice. So now it has the more matte finish. Okay, now we need to wait when it will get dry and we'll see the difference between here and here. Here what it looks like. So I don't see any really line here. So I would say here was applying the more force, so here I can see some difference, but overall, so it looks nice and matte. So I'll continue to working around this area and we'll see what's the result, but I really like how it's cleaned the leather here. And also interesting fact and good fact about it, this car, so the passenger side it's like a brand new, because the previous owner was driving it. It was his daily driving, and I believe that's why all the worn on the interior, I would say the really small minor worn, was only on the driver's side. Yeah, this is the way better. So right now the leather around is not shiny anymore, it's just matte, like on this side. Originally it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, I really like the result, how it came out, and also if you like this video, please give it a like. Thank you.